Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Basic third year in Sarana University. Today I am explaining experiment 2 programs in Python. First question: create an empty directory. Fill the directory with employee ID and employee name as per by given user. Take one ID as input from the user and transfer through directory and find the corresponding employee name and display the same. First we have to create one empty directory and we have to fill employee ID and name in that, and we have to take one employee ID and we can and it should display the name. Here is the program. I am created an empty directory and taken taken inputs from the users. This for example I taken two. Here is the employee ID 123, name is Sandeep, and one more employee name is 1171, name is Sam. For you want to enter a employee ID, that is 1171, and it displays the name as Sam. Okay. Second question: create an empty list. Fill the list with strings by user input. Find the number of strings where the string length is 2 or more and first and last character are same. This is the program. I entered 4 strings like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, A, B, A, 1, 2, 1. Here the count is 2 because A, B, A and 1, 2, 1 is having and starting with same letter and ending with same letter. So the count is 2. And the third question: create an empty set. Fill the set with values by getting user input. Find the maximum value in the set. You have to create one empty set and you have to fill that set from the user inputs and you have to find the maximum value in that set. The program, I created one empty set. I imported values from the user and the range will be in here. I gave 5 elements. Element enter value 10, 2, 3, 45 and 56. So in this the maximum value is 56. So it is there 56. Fourth question: create an empty tuple. The tuple with numerical values by getting user input and find the sum of the tuple. We have to create one tuple and we have to give the values from the user and we have to find the sum of the tuple. Here I created one tuple and I taken values from the user. It should be it should be sum of the yes. I taken 4 values 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 3 4. Here is sum of the tuple is 10. Okay. This is the fifth question. Create 2D array and perform matrix addition using num. We have to create one 2D array and perform matrix addition. We have to do the matrix addition. First we have to import num as MP and A is equal to NP array and you have to give matrix values and B is equal to NP array. Result should be A plus B. Print matrix addition and result. Matrix addition 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Sixth question: create a 2D array using num and find the sum of the elements in the matrix. Download the dataset from kaggle.com dataset and display the top 10 rows, display the last 5 rows, display rows and column details, display size of the shape and dimension. Here is the code. First we have to import one dataset from the net and first question: display the 10 rows. Here is the program. You have to print 10 rows from the starting and you have to print the 5 rows from the 5 rows at last. Here is the program print df dot tail means it will print from last. Okay, and we have to display the rows and columns in the table. Is the code number of rows. Here is the code. Number of rows equal to shape and 01, number of columns shape and 02, and you have to print the size df size. It will display the rows and columns details, display size and shape and dimension and information summary. This is the code. Print size, it will display the size. Shape, it will display the shape of the table. Dimension, it will replace the dimension of the table, and the whole information it will display. Thank you.